We're at the City of Zachary Youth Park, about to pour some new concrete around this bathroom we're building. Super, super excited to wrap this project up. It's coming to an end. Stay tuned for final product. Let's go. Get up here at the ballpark. If you did not know, we have an electrical division in-house. If you have a commercial piece of property, maybe you have a house, maybe you have some troubleshooting needs to be done, anything. Run new pipe, new wire, new breaker panels, it does not matter, underground, overhead, we have you covered. Come check out this new electrical. We were pouring concrete this morning, it's finished. Just put the broom touch on it. Any type of concrete work, electrical work, construction, demolition, earthwork, it doesn't matter. Stricklin and Porter Construction, your one-stop shop for any construction needs. Give us a call today at 225-681-9457. I'll get you taken care of. Let's go.